Assalamualaikum and a very good morning everyone. Hi, this is Miss Shafika and today's lesson is through this video which I have prepared for you. Right, so the topic for today is a continuation from the previous class which is on quantifier. Right, so quantifier is a topic in countable and uncountable noun. Right, untuk yang tak ingat, quantifier adalah perkataan yang menunjukkan quantity. For example, some, many, a lot of, atau much. Right, and then the quantifier should be different whether the food is countable atau uncountable. Right, so the first quantifier, the first two quantifiers is many versus much. Untuk latihan pertama or your first exercise, we are going to do, the answer should be between many or much. Right, so many versus much, many and much both means the same thing. Okay, many ni maksud dia banyak, much pun maksud dia banyak. Tapi beza dia, kita guna many for countable nouns. And kita guna much for uncountable nouns. Right, so for example, how many eggs does he have? Okay, berapa banyak telur dia ada? So kalau telur, eggs, we can count eggs, so it should be many. Alright, and you can see that I added S. Dekat eggs tu, Miss tambah huruf S. Right, because eggs is countable, so we should put it in a plural form. Alright, however, for uncountable, how much sugar do you want in your coffee? Okay, berapa banyak gula awak nak in your coffee, dalam kopi awak? So sugar, we cannot count sugar, so we cannot put it in plural form. Tak boleh ada plural, tak boleh ada S. And then we only use how much sugar, bukan sugars. Right, so kita guna how much. Okay, so this one is exercise 1. Yang ni awak kena salin dalam buku. Yang tadi tak perlu. Kalau siapa dah print worksheet yang Miss bagi, dah print PDF awal-awal, tak perlu salin dalam buku. Alright, so guna je kertas yang awak dah print. Alright, so the underlined sentence is your instruction. Yang garis tu adalah arahan. So you have to copy the instruction in your book. Complete the questions with how much or how many. Make the plural if necessary. Right, so awak kena lengkapkan soalan. Okay, number 1 until number 8 adalah semua soalan dengan how much atau how many. Okay, ada 2 saja. So we have to choose whether to use how much or how many. Okay, macam mana kita nak tahu? How do we know which one should we choose? We are going to look at the food in each sentence, whether the food is countable or uncountable. Alright, and then kalau dia countable, benda boleh kira, kita kena tambah dia jadi plural. Kita kena tambah huruf S atau ES atau IES. Right, now let's look at number 1. Okay, number 1, tempat kosong, blank burger do you eat? Right, so the food in the sentence is burger. And burger is countable. Okay, benda kita boleh kira. So kalau boleh kira, kita guna how much ke how many? How many? Okay, how many burger do you eat? So kalau burger kita boleh kira, it should be in plural form. Mesti ada huruf S. Okay, mesti banyak. How many burgers do you eat? Berapa banyak burger awak makan? Okay, kalau ada orang dia boleh makan 2 burger. Dia boleh makan separuh je. Alright, so number 2, blank cheese is there on the pizza. So cheese, we cannot count cheese. It's uncountable. Right, so we use how much. How much cheese is there on the pizza? Ada berapa banyak cheese atas pizza tu? Right, number 3. Blank nut are there in the bag. Okay, nut is kacang. Right, so kacang is countable. We can count nuts. So the answer should be how many nut are there. Right, so kalau how many, it's countable, then we have to add S, plural. Alright, so how many nuts are there in the bag? Number 4, blank white rice do they usually eat? Okay, so white rice is nasi putih and nasi putih is uncountable. So we should use how much. Berapa banyak? Okay, nasi putih yang mereka selalu makan. Okay, so now we continue to number 5 until number 8. Okay, again, siapa yang tak ada kertas, siapa yang dah print worksheet atau kertas tu, boleh tulis jawapan dalam kertas saja. Siapa yang tak ada kertas, dia memang tak ada printer untuk print, then you can just copy, salin saja nombor 1 sampai nombor 8. Okay, number 1 until number 8. Alright, so number 5, blank sandwich have you got? So sandwich, it's countable, right? So it's how many sandwich. Mesti dalam plural, jadi sandwiches have you got? Number 6, blank milk does she drink? So milk is a liquid, okay, dia liquid cair, so we cannot count cair, it's uncountable. Kalau uncountable, we should use how much milk does she drink? Number 7, blank bread have they got in the shop? Alright, so this one we have learned in the previous class. Bread is uncountable because there are many types of bread. So it should be how much bread have they got in the shop. Okay, bread, roti itu adalah uncountable. Sebab kita ada banyak jenis roti. Ada roti putih, roti pita, roti canai, roti burger. Right, so those are all bread. Number 8, okay, blank egg are there on the table. Right, so how many ke how much? Kalau eggs kita boleh kira. Kalau boleh kira, it's how many, right? So eggs are countable, so we should add S. How many eggs are there on the table? Alright, so itu sahaja untuk exercise 1. Okay, lepas tu kita akan teruskan dengan another element of quantifiers. Okay, ini Miss dah terangkan sedikit daripada minggu lepas pula. The previous class sebelum ni. So we are going to revise a little bit before we answer the second exercise. Okay, untuk slide ni awak tak perlu salin. We are just going to discuss. Alright, so tadi kita buat quantifier 2 jenis saja, many and much. Now we are going to use more quantifier. Contohnya some, maksud dia beberapa atau sedikit. Any, much, many and a lot of. Okay, so a lot of ni maksud dia pun banyak. So sama maksud dengan much dengan many. Okay, so I have divided the table into 2. Kalau awak tengok Miss yang dah buat kotak warna hijau ni ada 2. Satu countable, satu untuk uncountable. And then ada kotak warna kuning, ada kotak warna pink. Alright, so the boxes in yellow means that it is quantifier for affirmative. Okay, ini adalah quantity untuk affirmative. Maksudnya ada. Alright, ada. Banyak ke, sikit ke, tapi ada. Yang untuk pink, dia negatif. So, mungkin tak banyak ataupun tak ada langsung. Alright, so we look at the first word, which is a lot of. Okay, dekat kotak pertama, garis warna kuning yang pertama, a lot of. So, dekat countable ada a lot of. Dekat uncountable pun ada a lot of. Meaning the word atau the quantifier a lot of can be used for both countable and uncountable. For example, a lot of apples. Okay, ada banyak apple. We can also use for uncountable. For example, a lot of sugar. Okay, pun sesuai juga. A lot of sugar is okay. Alright, next we have many and much. Okay, yang ni kita dah buat tadi. Many dengan much ni maksud sama dengan a lot of. Okay, cuma cara penggunaan dia je beza. Alright, next we have some. Okay, some dia lain sikit. Sebab some dia tak banyak sangat. Tapi dia ada beberapa. Ataupun sedikit. For example, some also we can use in both countable and uncountable. Dua-dua kita boleh guna. Contohnya, some eggs. Right, beberapa telur. Ataupun untuk uncountable, kita boleh kata some coffee. Right, would you like some coffee? Mana tak coffee sikit? Right, macam tu. So, kalau negative, next kotak warna pink adalah negative. The first word is aren't many. Alright, so this one we have learned. Yang ni kita dah pernah belajar. Cuma Miss nak ingatkan balik je. Aren't many, tak banyak. Aren't any, langsung tak ada. Okay, and then for uncountable, isn't much. Tak banyak. Isn't any. Langsung tak ada. Okay, so for countable, kita guna perkataan aren't. For uncountable, we use the word isn't. Okay. Next slide. Okay, ini contoh dulu. Yang ni pun you don't have to copy. Ni tak perlu salin. Awak perlu salin exercise sahaja. So, next kita ada a lot of rambutans. Okay, yang ni Miss nak tunjuk yang kita boleh guna dua-dua ni. A lot of ni untuk dua-dua. Countable and uncountable. So, a lot of rambutans. And also we can use it in uncountable. A lot of soup. Ada banyak soup dimasak. Alright, next we have there are many sausages. Okay, sausage ada banyak jadi kena tambah S. There is so much porridge. Right, so many maksud dia banyak, much pun maksud dia banyak, but much is to use for uncountable. Okay, so next word is some. Okay, some ni kita boleh guna some ni we can use for both countable and uncountable. For example, the sentence, would you like some grapes and some yogurt in your salad? Okay, dia nak bagi dalam salad awak, dia nak bagi grapes and yogurt. So, grape is countable. So, we can use some grapes. But and yogurt is uncountable, but we can also use some yogurt. Right? Next, okay, this one is the negative. Yang ni yang negative. Miss nak tunjukkan awak contoh gambar tu. Okay, there aren't many apples. Okay, dalam, it looks like a picture of a bowl with 2 apples in it. So, tak banyak apple. Tapi ada. Okay, there aren't many. Tak banyak, tapi ada. And then number 6, bowl dia langsung, the bowl is empty. Kosong. There aren't any apple. Because langsung tak ada. Okay, langsung tak ada apple. Okay, next sebelah, uncountable. There isn't much water in the jug. Okay, kita tengok jug tu pun air dia hampir habis. Right, so there isn't much. Tak banyak, tapi ada. Right, and then last kali kita ada there isn't any water. So the jug is empty because there is no water at all. Okay, langsung tak ada air. Alright, so we have come to our exercise 2. This would be your last exercise. Untuk yang ada kertas dah print worksheet tu boleh salin, boleh tulis jawapan dalam kertas saja. Yang tak ada kertas boleh salin number 1 until number, I don't remember, I think number 1 until number 8. Okay, let's look at exercise 2. Right, so exercise 2 awak kena salin arahan. So the instruction is the underlined sentence. Look at the table. What do Laura and Toby eat? Complete the sentence with some, any, much, many and a lot of. Okay, disuruh awak tengok table ni, jadual warna hijau ni. Dia bagi tahu apa Laura and Toby makan in a week. Right, then we have to complete the sentence given. So, lepas awak salin arahan, awak tak perlu salin kotak warna hijau. You don't have to copy the table. We can just go ahead and write number 1. Terus je mula nombor 1. Right, so yang ni Laura dengan Toby ayat pertama dibagi ni dah apa tu? Adalah contoh. Okay, so you don't have to copy. Right, so contoh dia bagi yang ni, contoh ni macam lari sikit. Sepatutnya some ni dekat tempat kosong Toby ni. Alright, so tak apalah. Laura eats a lot of fruit every day. So kita tengok dekat Laura. Fruit. Okay, ada 3 tick. Okay, maksudnya banyak. So a lot of is suitable to be used in here. Okay, ada 3 kali tick. And then Toby eats blank fruit. Okay, some. Sepatutnya some ni dekat sini, dekat tempat Toby tu. So Toby eats some fruit. Okay, so ada 2 je tick. Ada 2 je. Maksudnya dia tak banyak sangat, tapi ada. Alright, so let's look at number 1. Okay, boleh salin number 1. Laura eats blank vegetables in her diet. Okay, kita tengok dekat kotak vegetables. Right, so Laura ada 3 tick. So it can be, the answers can be a lot of ataupun many vegetables. Okay, sama maksud dia. A lot of dengan many, sama dia, maksud dia sama. And it should be used for countable noun. Okay, so Laura eats a lot of vegetables. Tapi Toby, okay, Laura ada 3 tick untuk vegetables. Toby ada berapa right? 1 je right. So Toby has blank vegetables with his meals. Alright, so ada. Bukanlah tak ada langsung, ada. Tapi tak banyak. So it should be some. Toby has some vegetables with his meals. Right, so number 3. Laura never eats blank meat. She's a vegetarian. Okay, dekat kotak meat, bawah dia Laura sengkang. Maksudnya tak makan langsung. Okay, kalau tak makan langsung, we should use the word any. Laura never eats any meat. She's a vegetarian. Number 4. Okay, dekat meat, dekat bawah untuk Toby pula, ada 3 kali right. Maksudnya banyaklah dia makan. So, Toby eats a lot of meat every day. Okay, so a lot of awak boleh juga letak jawapan much. Okay, sebab but I think a lot of is more suitable. Okay, lebih sesuai kalau kita guna a lot of. Much kita akan guna dekat jawapan lain. Alright, so number 5, Laura has blank sweets. She likes chocolate. Okay, sweets. Sweets ni dekat Laura ada 2 right, 2 tick. Okay, kalau 2 tick maksudnya tak banyak but ada. So the answer should be some sweets. She likes chocolate. Okay, dia sukalah juga sweets. Dia suka chocolate. Right, for number 6, Toby doesn't eat blank sweets at all. Okay, dekat Switch dengan Toby ada sengkang. So, dia tak makan langsung. So, tak makan langsung, it should be any sweets at all. And number 7, Laura doesn't drink blank water. Okay, Laura ada satu je tanda right. Okay, so much. Doesn't drink much. Dia tak minum sangat. Right? She prefers juice or milk. Okay, dia lagi suka juice, buah-buahan ataupun susu instead of just water. And lastly, ini last quote rasanya. Okay, lastly number 8, Toby drinks blank water with every meal. Okay, so Toby dia minum lagi banyak lah. Drink some water with every meal. Alright, so exercise 2, you just have to copy number 1 until number 8. And that is the last exercise. Alright, so thank you. That's all for today. Thank you. If you have any question, you may ask me in my personal WhatsApp. Alright, thank you everybody. I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye.